In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Pandadoc. When you are working in Pandadoc, the order of your pages is controlled by where page breaks appear inside the document. So, the key to rearranging pages is placing page breaks in the right spots. A page break tells Pandadoc, start a new page here. Once you understand that, it becomes much easier to organize your content exactly the way you want. Start by opening the document you want to edit and scroll to the area where you want a new page to begin. You will be working between content blocks. Content blocks are the sections in your document such as text, images, tables, pricing, or signatures. Each block sits in a specific position on the page, and Pandadoc lets you insert new elements between them. Move your cursor slowly into the space between any two content blocks. As you hover between the blocks, look for a plus sign to appear. This plus sign is the insert control, and it only shows up when you are in the correct place between two blocks. If you do not see it right away, adjust your cursor slightly up or down until it appears. Once the plus sign is visible, click it. A menu will open with options for what you can insert at that location. From that menu, select Page Break. The moment you choose Page Break, Pandadoc will force everything after that point onto a new page. This is the main tool you will use to reorganize your document layout. If a section of content needs to start on its own page, insert a page break just before that section. If you need cleaner spacing and more predictable page separation for printing or exporting to PDF, page breaks also help with that. Take your time and place page breaks carefully between the correct content blocks. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how the final document reads and how professional it looks. And that is all there is to it.